Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Maniology haul to share with you guys. Thank you so much Maniology for sending me these nail art goodies. It has been so much fun partnering with Maniology and I can't thank you guys enough. So I have some of their new releases to share with you today. I'm going to do a quick haul. We're going to do mini reviews throughout this video as well as some nail art at the end of the video. So stay tuned. First up, in my package I got this really cute sticker, wearing my best coat. How cute is this sticker? Very cute. And that is a free gift when you order. I was sent one of their new nail polish sets, the Glitter Bomb set. This is set 077. It's a 3-piece set. And these are reflective glitters. They're a green, a gold, and a pink, and these are so pretty. We will be talking more about the polishes in a second. Next up, I have a couple plates to share. So as always, the plates come with a protective blue film on them, and this is plate M424. The plate is called Falling Leaves, and you have lots of beautiful images on here of falling leaves. There is like leaf garland here. I love the gradient of the falling leaves. This coffee and pumpkin pie image here. Love that. Lots of fun images on this plate. Next up we have M425. And this is the Woodland Wonders plate. There is some layered stamping on this plate. There's some critters on this plate as well. Some potted plants, some individual leaves. There's lots of things you can do with this particular plate. You can use the layered stamping. You can use these images by themselves. You can use these images by themselves even though they go with the double stamping. Lots of stuff you can do with the plates. And these are new to their fall collection this year. They're $8 each. Their plates are always deeply etched. Don't forget to remove your blue protective film before stamping. 3-piece Glitter Bomb reflective glitter nail polish set. This is $27 on the website, currently marked down to $25. Shine is a green reflective glitter. Dazzle is the gold reflective glitter. Sparkle is a pink reflective glitter, and you can purchase these polishes individually as well, and they are $9 each. They are easy to apply. They dry fairly quickly. These glitters are suspended in a clear base. They have buildable coverage, or you can layer these over other polishes, and you can use these in multiple different ways. If you do choose to build these up, it's going to need 2 to 3 coats depending on the length of your nails to cover your nail line. They do dry textured. Like if you've ever used a sand polish, then you know about the textured polish. Reflective glitters dry the same way. They are textured. So you will need to top these with top coat, and they are easy to remove with regular nail polish remover. My favorite personal way to use these glitters, but my favorite way is to apply them over top of a base coat, and you'll get the same effect with less layers, and they make beautiful toppers. So now we're going to move on to the nail art. Nail design number 1 is a colorful falling leaves layered stamping. Things you will need to create this manicure: base color of your choice, and Maniology reflective glitter polish, polishes of your choice to stamp with, and the Maniology ice cube stamper and scraper. Don't forget to remove your protective blue film off of the plate before stamping. Maniology plate 425. I'm using the Bleed Beauty nail polish in Cafe Ole, and Maniology's reflective glitter nail polish in Dazzle. These glitter polishes are stunning by themselves, but layered on top of a base color takes it to the next level. It's so beautiful. I'm using the Maniology Gold Rush, Cherry Bomb, Marmalade, and Limelight for stamping today. Let's get stamping. To create this colorful mani, start by randomly placing polish on the image Scrape once to avoid mudding up the colors. Roll stamper over image to pick it up, and then press the stamp firmly on the nail. I'm using Maniology cotton grabber to clean the plate between stamps, and I'm using a lint roller to clean my stamper off. I'm using Gold Rush for the outline of the leaves. So same thing. Repeat these steps on the other nails to create the same look. So you want to continue to load your images with polish, scrape, and roll your stamper over to pick up image. Make sure to clean plates entirely, scraper, and stampers before putting them away. Masking tape hack. It easily removes dry excess polish around the cuticles and makes cleanup super easy. I do go in with a cleanup brush as well, just to get the little bits that are very close to the nail, and I'm using the Maniology smudge free top coat to seal in my design. I just kind of want to float the top coat over the nail and use as less brush strokes as you can. All your cuticles and your manicure is done. How gorgeous are these? The pictures and the videos don't do the glitter justice. It's so much prettier in person. These polishes are absolutely stunning. I hope you enjoyed design number 1. Nail design number 2. This one is a little bit more basic, and it's using the beautiful pink reflective glitter layered with another polish, and I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I love how this look came out, and I hope you guys will enjoy this one as well. Look how beautiful this fall manicure is. Things you will need to recreate this manicure: you're going to need a base color and one of Maniology's reflective glitter polishes. Maniology Ice Cube Stamper and Scraper, Maniology Stamping Polish. For this look, I am using Maniology Plate M424. As my base color, I have China Glaze's Grape Pop, and over top of that, I'm using Maniology Sparkle Glitter Reflective Polish. Absolutely stunningly gorgeous. Let's get started. I'm using the Maniology Plate M424 for this design, and I'm using the Maniology Stamping Polish in Spiced Orange, which is an absolute beautiful metallic orange shade. Highly recommend this stamping polish, and I'm going to be picking up this beautiful half filled in, half not filled in leaf image on this plate, cleaning off with the Maniology cotton grabber with some acetone, and I'm using a lint roller to clean off my stamper. You're going to see me load up these images once again, fill them with polish, scrape down, and roll my stamper over to pick up the image, and then press it firmly onto the nail. And you do have to work kind of fast during this process as well, because if you work too slow, the polish will start to dry. And this is a very easy basic design, but it is a wow manicure for it to be very easily achieved. So I'm just stamping that on all of my nails and cleaning up my stamper and image after each stamping. Now the masking tape hack again. I'm just taking some masking tape and cleaning up all the excess dry polish around my nails on my fingers, and then I'll do the cleanup brush around the cuticles. And once again, I'm using the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat, and I'm going to float this top coat over the design, not to have too many brush strokes in there to smear the image, because that can happen. And I'm going to oil my cuticles after I am done. Share the stunning final results. Absolutely stunning. Here is that beautiful polish in the flash. These polishes look different in the sunlight and in the flash. You're going to most notice it in the flash from your phone. Absolutely gorgeous, amazing nail polishes. Thank you again, Maniology, for sending me all these nail art goodies. I had a blast creating this nail art. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional Maniology links. There'll be a Maniology website link, a 10% off coupon code. There are lots of other helpful links in the description box below. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this.